Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use hidden productivity features in Notion mobile app. So if you only use Notion for notes, you are missing out on powerful tools that boost your workflow. First, open the Notion app and then create a new page. After that, type exclamation command to bring up hidden slash commands. This lets you quickly add checklist reminders and database without digging through menus. Next, use the exclamation slash remind exclamation option. Next, what you're gonna do is you can also swipe right on any pages to favorite it. This pins your most important pages for faster access. For organizing, long press on a block to drag reorder tasks or swipe left on a block to duplicate it instantly. Safety tip: avoid storing sensitive info like password banking details in Notion unless you use an external encrypted vault. It is not designed for highly confidential data. Quick fix: it features are not showing. Update Notion in the App Store, then log out and back into refresh slash command and mobile gestures. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you hit the like button and then subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.